Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the CEYOMUR Wi-Fi Bluetooth trail camera. A native 30 megapixel in picture and up to 1296p. It's a hunting camera with 120 degrees motion sensor and 0.2 second trigger time. It's a trail cam with an IR night vision and it is IP66 waterproof for wildlife monitoring. Equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth function, this trail camera lets us view and download pictures and videos on our phones without taking off the hunting cap. Even if it is installed at a high place, we can modify the settings remotely. The Wi-Fi of the trail camera has, of course, a distance limit. This game changer camera captures 30 megapixel pictures and 1960p videos. It's showing us a vivid and wonderful wildlife world. With its 2.0 inches LCD screen, it moves our closer to watch the animals. It brings us an immersive visual experience. With the upgraded 3MP IR sensors, the trigger speed of the trail camera will be up to 0.2 seconds. That's not much. It's fast. That's good. We will never miss a fantastic movement for wildlife monitoring. A wider detection range of 120 degrees provides a more accurate and excellent motion detection performance. And featuring 36 of low-glow LEDs, this Wi-Fi trail camera delivers quality black and white photos at the night, and of course, videos too. Oh yeah, that's not alerting animals. Even in the dark night, this video camera captures every movement of the animals clearly. With the tighter waterproof design, this wildlife camera holds up well in bad weather and conditions. The integrated half-open cover design makes the installation more convenient. We could apply this camera system to wildlife observation or hunting. And of course, you can use it for home security or farm area surveillance. The SD card and the batteries are not included in the package, of course, so you have to buy them separately. CEYOMUR is specialized in researching and developing powerful professional and practical outdoor image protections. It is committed to provide high-quality, trustworthy, and affordable digital imaging solutions. It will always adhere to the people's-oriented concept and provides customers with high-end products and professional service. With CEYOMUR, we see what we want. That's cool, because this is the best trail camera I ever had before. That's really cool. It's easy, it's intuitive, it makes good videos and good photos, and you can use it Wi-Fi. That's really cool. 30 megapixel Wi-Fi trail camera CY65. The wild world is at our disposal. That's cool. Field app with taking off the trail camera to view videos. This is what the CY65 trail camera is created. 100% wire-free file transmission. Preview the recorded videos on our phone and download it easily. We should do not use a micro SD card with this card adapter, but I think it will work. The SD card and the batteries are not included in the package, of course. Use class 6 or faster SD cards, and it goes up to a capacity of 128 GB. Ooh, that's a lot. We have to format the SD card to FAT32 before using the camera. The SD card should be inserted in off mode. And we have to take 8 high-quality batteries into it. That means enough power to make awesome videos and photos of the wildlife out there. The Bluetooth function is used for receive, the detection, the built-in Wi-Fi for connection, and the data transmission between mobile phones and cameras. We can check the camera's capture area, preview and download the images or videos, and change the settings of our trail camera on the app, even if the camera is installed at a high place and we cannot reach them with our hands or fingers. Equipped with 3 PIR sensors, this Wi-Fi trail camera brings 120 degrees detection angle, which makes the motion detector faster and more awesome. This comes because of the 2.2 seconds trigger speed. We won't miss any exciting moment in the wildlife world. And we can see what's going on at the night. The 3D camera captures stunning pictures and ultra-high quality audible videos. Restore the most authentic, beautiful world of the wildlife. That's for hunting, for wildlife monitoring, for farm burgle, or for home security. The connection principle of the mobile phone or the trail camera is that the Bluetooth is used for discovering the camera. So, the first step is we download the app. Then we start the app and goes and pair these two devices. That's really easy. You get in position and then you target Wi-Fi. Choose the Wi-Fi network. Then enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, up to 8. No, 1 to 8. 1 until to 8. And then it's time to connect them, pair them. And after this, you can control the camera with your smartphone. How weird the app. That's really cool. That's smart. That's the trail camera CEYOMUR Wi-Fi Bluetooth native, powered with 30 megapixel and 1296P. It's an awesome hunting camera, which you can control, of course, by the menu too. You do not have to use your app for it. You can choose what you need because both is possible with that CEYOMUR Wi-Fi trail camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.